Now let us try to understand the third sum, that is just doing the opposite. The numbers are being provided to us in words and we have to convert these words into digits. We have to write the number that is provided to us in words into digits. Okay, so the first one I'm taking 2 crores. Very easy, just be with me, try to understand, be focused, you will get everything inshallah. 1622. So this is the number provided to us in words, 2 crores 38,622, and they're asking us to write the following numerals. That is, they're asking us to write the exact value, convert this word into digit form. Okay, it's very easy. What we will be doing is that we will be focusing on the very first value, that is crores. What is the first place value, my dear students? That is crores. The very first value, that is the very first place value of this number is crores. And when you try to write the answer, when you try to convert this, what will you do? You will count the place values till the very first place value. This is crores. That is, you will give dashes that will be filled with digits till the place value crores. So let us start. What I'm saying, let me explain you. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, so this is how you will put dashes according to the place values. This is the easiest way. I have noticed this is the easiest way and it is errorless. This method is errorless as well. If you write, some of the students, what they do, they try to directly write the values reading the words. Okay, if you are expert, you may do it, but if you have certain sort of doubts, and some of the times when you are in haste and when you are nervous in the exam, although you know the answer, but you do mistakes because of being in haste and because of being nervous. But if you follow this technique which I am teaching you, you will hardly get your answers wrong, inshallah. So what will you do? Look at the very first place value, that is crores, and you give dashes till crores. Okay, count the place values till crores, because the very first place value in this number is crores. So 1, so this is 1, this is 10, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh, and this is crore. Okay, so we have stopped till crore. You don't have to write this. Okay, if you want, you may. Okay, now crores, so that is 2 crores. What is the value of crores over here? That is 2, so you write 2 over here, 2 over here. Okay, this is crores, 2 over here. 38,000, so we have 38 in the thousands place. Where is 1000? This 1000, 10,000, just 38, so we will write 38,000 because 38,000 is 10,000s, so 38,000s. 600, so you have 6 in the place of 100, so we will put 6 over here. And we have 22, so 20 for the 10th place and 2 for the 1st place. Now you will ask, sir, what will you do with this vacant, with this empty spaces? You will just put zeros. Empty means 0. Okay, so this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. You read this: 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 2 crores 38,622. Now you have to put the commas as well. So I said you that we are following the Indian system. You can see the very word crore gives you the idea that we are using the Indian system. So we will be putting commas according to the Indian system as well. So take 3 digits from the back, 1, 2, 3, put a comma, then take 2 digits. Okay, because what is the rule of Indian system? Take 3 digits from the back and then 2, 2. We will stop over here because you can't put a comma in front of it, front of a number. Okay, the commas are always between the digits of the number. So this is how you convert a word into numerals. Let us take another example, the second one, for making things more comprehensible to all of you. More 70 lakh. Okay, my dear students, you may use LAC or LAKH. Both spellings are correct. LAC or LAKH, both spellings are correct. 70 lakhs, 5,000, 29. So this is the number provided to us, and they're asking us to convert this word into digits. So again, I said you look at the very first place value, that is lakh. So you put dashes from the back till lakh. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. We will stop over here because the question, the problem starts with the place value lakh, and that is 70 lakh. Okay, 70, that means 10 lakh. So we will take one more dash, that is 10 lakhs. Okay, so you may give the place values over here: 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So these are the place values. Okay, now let us try to fill up these blanks with digits. Okay, so this is 70 lakh, that means 10 lakhs, 70 will fill up the lakhs places. 5,000, so this is not 10,000, this is only thousands. Okay, 5,000, so the thousands place will be filled up with 5. If it would have been 50 or 15 or 53, then we would have taken 10,000 place as well. But this is only 5,000. That means the thousands place has to be filled with only 5. Okay, it does not have double digits in it. That's why we will be taking only the thousands place. Okay, make it clear. Make it clear. Okay, 1,000, 5,000. So I put 5 in the place of 1,000. 29. So 29 means 20 for the 10th place and 9 for the 1st place. Okay. Now the vacant spaces, the empty spaces you find will be filled with 0, as we have done in the previous one. Okay, so this is the final answer, and then after that we will be putting the commas. We will be inserting the commas according to the Indian system. So you will take 3 digits from the back, put a comma. You will take 2 digits from the back, put a comma. Don't put a comma over here because comma is not inserted before at the start of the number. Okay, so this is the correct answer. I hope all of you understood. So alhamdulillah, we have understood how to solve the sums of exercise 1.1. I will be giving you the homework, the assignment, which you have to do on time, inshallah ta'ala.